Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Microsoft Authenticator from old phone. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Microsoft Authenticator application. Once you are on the home page, you are going to see all of the email addresses as well as your social media accounts that you have entered in your Microsoft Authenticator account. Now among these, you simply need to tap on your email address. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the one-time passcode on your email address. But right next to it, you are going to see this gear icon in the top. So you need to tap on this gear icon. Once done, you will be landed in your account settings page where you are going to see the option of remove account. So you simply need to tap on remove account and then you will be able to see a pop-up in front of you where you just have to press remove. Once done, it may be asked you to first unsync your account. In order to do this, you will have to click on settings, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and try to find the option of autofill. Now once you have found autofill, you are going to see this toggle button right next to it. So I simply need to tap on this toggle button in order to turn it off. After that, in the autofill section, you are going to see the sync account option as well. So you need to tap on sync account and then you will be able to see your email address in front of you where you just have to tap on it in order to unsync it, and after that you just have to confirm your unsync. This way you will be able to remove your Microsoft Authenticator from your old phone. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.